We received your sample material in. The foam looks like mats that you had sent, and this material will cut great on the Clicker 1500 press. The type of die that I would recommend for this application would be a steel rule die. Now this die is mounted in acrylic. The most common way to build these dies is to mount them in wood actually. Now this is a .937 high die. It has ejection foam in it to kick the material out after it's cut. So I'll do a little demonstration here to show you how this works. You would have your cutting board on the top. That is a polyethylene cutting surface that you cut against. There are actually mounting holes on the top of the press to mount the board. I have it just clamped up there with clamps. You can do it either way. So you would have your die on the bottom, what they call blade up. You would then set your material on top of the die and then slide your die in. You would set, I'm going to hold it for a second to make sure it goes through. And as you can see, the material cuts out nice and clean. I've done several cuts on this piece here, that's why it's all holy. But the pieces that I just cut out, you can see the edge is nice and clean. And what I'm going to do is I'll provide some more test cuts and send a lot of cut samples back to you, as well as your original pieces, so that you can determine what your thoughts are. And I'll give you a call to follow up. Thank you.